Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie Hinshaw. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you never miss a video from me. So I know that things are really up in the air with everyone's schooling right now. A lot of people are doing like hybrid classes for college, or maybe they're full on face-to-face or full online. Personally for me, I am doing full online classes this semester, and it's my last semester, thank God. I'm so over being in college. But that's not the point of this video. I wanted to show you guys what's in my college senior backpack, what I bring with me, my essentials, things that will just get me through the day. Now, I am going to be working a full-time job during college, so this is also like what I would bring to work, but I do keep a lot of things in my desk as well. This is something I will be bringing to work on a daily basis so that I can do class stuff on my lunch break and whatnot. So without further ado, let's hop into the video. Okay, so as you can see, this is my backpack right here. It's a North Face backpack, and it's a hefty boy. It's actually like really good quality. I got this in Texas right before Corona hit, and I didn't have to use it. But yeah, North Face backpack, and it's like the flex vent kind. It has like this kind of back. It's a really hard back, which I like, because it really supports my back, especially if I have a lot of stuff in here, which I normally do. Let's get into it. So it does have a laptop sleeve, which, surprise, surprise, I carry my laptop in. Now, for online schooling, a laptop is pretty essential, especially for college. I have this MacBook Air. I really like it because it's super light, and I just keep it in this case that I've had forever. It's just a Marc Jacobs case, which sounds bougie, but the zipper is actually broken, so I just slide it on in there and hope that it doesn't fall out. That's what she said. I mean, I'm really just asking for it here. And let's start with what's actually on my backpack. So I do have a little hand sanitizer here, very essential for our COVID days right now. I like just having this on my backpack so it's really easy to grab and use. So I keep that hand sanitizer on there. Just so you know, I do also bring a mask with me in my car anywhere I go. I don't have one in my backpack right now because it is in the wash. So don't come for me, I do wear a mask. And then on the side, I like to keep my Hydroflask. This is the 32-ounce Hydroflask. It holds a lot of water for me, only one small dent, don't worry about it. Just dropped it once, but it's basically my child. This Hydroflask honestly means a lot to me. Like, it's been through thick and thin. It's been through a lot. My boyfriend gifted it to me after I lost my giant red one, RIP, my 64-ounce baby. But this one is big enough, and really, who needs 64 ounces of water? I was just peeing constantly, and I still am with this, so it's doing its job. So next, in the front pocket, I will show you kind of what I keep like easily accessible. I've got some keys here. These are mostly for work, and I just need them to get around my building because I am a housing consultant, so there's a lot of keys involved. And then these are my blue light glasses. They are just clear. I love the way these look, and they really protect your eyes from the blue light, especially if you're staring at a screen all day. They can be really helpful, and I just love these. Got them on Amazon for like $15, so they're really affordable. Might keep them on my desk. Speaking of desks, I did just put together this little number in my Denver weekend vlog. I'll go ahead and link it on the screen so you can watch me struggle through putting this desk together. I am going to be doing a desk transformation video soon because that's where I'm going to be spending most of my school time, is in this little spot here, but I'm waiting on some stuff to come in for that. So look out for that soon. Next, I have some sticky notes. I do just like to keep some sticky notes on me because I'm always sticking them everywhere, and it just really helps me stay organized just for small little tasks. Not for like organizational day-to-day stuff, but just for little things I have to remember that are out of the ordinary of my regular schedule. Sticky notes are awesome for that. Next, I have some mints because, I mean, obvious reasons. And then I always like to keep a scrunchie just on deck, just in case if your hair is bothering you. Just throw that bitch up. That's why I keep a scrunchie on me. Because, you know, sometimes like it's just hot, or you just don't want to deal with your hair when you're doing work. So believe me, a scrunchie combo, so believe me, a scrunchie and blue light glass combo can't be beat. Honestly, can't be beat. And then I just have a random pen in there, which is actually not supposed to be in there, but it's a Pilot G207 pen. These are the best pens. And then I have a random ring in there as well, which I should probably put in my jewelry like box section, whatever. So moving on to this mid pocket right here. Let's see what's in there. I have my wallet, an important one to always have on you. I mean, you always want to have your wallet, no matter if you're at work, you're at school, you kind of need your wallet. I love this one. It's by Marc Jacobs. Can you tell I like Marc Jacobs? And it's just really big. It carries all of my stuff in there. And I just love this wallet. It's perfect for me. Okay, next is my super old pencil case. This is a like super old Michael Kors pencil case that I think my sister gave me, so thanks Cami. I still have this, still use it. So in here I have some highlighters in 3 different colors because your girl likes to color coordinate. And I'll show you my favorite mechanical pencils. Now I feel like these are like controversial because everyone in high school that had these was like, these are the best, and then like the really nerdy kids were like, no, these ones suck, you should get the other whatever. I don't know, maybe you'll know what I'm talking about when I show the actual pencil, but these ones, I like them. They do kind of like get stuck sometimes, like this little button here is not the most reliable and it will like get kind of stuck, but I like the lead size, I like the feel of it in my hand, which is very important to me when it comes to pens and pencils, just like that pen feel. I don't know, am I nerdy about this? Yes. Some extra of the erasers that just come with the packs usually. I have a little paper clip just in case I need to clip something. Then I have this mini stapler in there as well, which actually always comes in handy, and I'm always like letting people borrow this because it's just a good thing to have. And then I have some extra 0.07 lead. And then for some reason I have this pencil sharpener, very dirty pencil sharpener. I don't have any actual pencils in here, so that does not make a lot of sense, but just in case I were to add them to my collection and I need to sharpen them, I am prepared. So that's all that I have in this little pencil case. I kind of keep it minimal. I don't need that many things, and as long as I choose like reliable materials, then that usually works out for me pretty well. Got my calculator. This is a you guys, I have been missing this student ID for so long. It was in my calculator. Look at, I bought a new one of these. Are you kidding me? Well, that's pretty much useless now. But anyways, wow, I can't believe I bought another one of those and it was in my calculator the whole time. I literally cannot believe my stupidity. This is a TI 30XS multi-view calculator. It's not like super fancy. I'm a business student, so I don't need all that graphing shit. It does the job for me. It does my quick maths that I need to get done, and that's really all I could ask for from a calculator. What else is in here? Oh, look. Found some more pens and some pencils. These are the G2 pens. Oop, there's a hair on them. I saw this tweet the other day and it was like, I will leave my hair everywhere because that is my confetti and I am the party, and I honestly felt that a lot. And then I also have these Pilot G2 mechanical pencils, and I like these too. This one's my favorite. It's such a pretty color. Not that that matters at all in writing, but that was just kind of randomly in there. What else? I'm like finding so many things. Oh, that's a gum wrapper. Probably don't want to see that. So since most of my classes, or all of my classes for that matter, are going to be online this year, I do want to bring a charger with me anywhere I go. This is just my MacBook laptop charger. So you kind of need this. Okay, second to last item that's in here, or items I should say, are just some pretty regular notebooks. I'm taking 5 classes this semester. One of them is going to be like an internship credit class, so I get credit for my work experience. So I don't really need a notebook for that, but I do like to get separate notebooks or like separate subject notebooks for each class. And I just picked up these 3 notebooks. Honestly, the pickings were pretty slim, so I just got what I could, and they're just like pretty basic college ruled notebook. Always check to make sure they are college ruled. I took some summer classes this summer. Obviously, it was in the summer. And I accidentally bought regular ruled, or whatever, not regular ruled, like just not college ruled, and it really, really made me angry. Necessary. I like to write my notes down. I know some people can get away with just typing their stuff, but For me, it really like solidifies in my mind more if I actually write it down. And then last but not least is my planner. I did actually pick up a new planner from Target, 2021 big boy planner here. I used to bullet journal for a while, but with how busy I'm gonna be this semester and these next couple months, I really didn't want to have to worry about drawing out my scheduling and all that stuff. So this is a super nice planner. It's kind of laid out this way. So there's a ton of room, and I like that it has like, here, I'll get up close. I like that it has a little checklist and a to-do list and then like your daily tasks. So yeah, really have been loving this planner. I have been filling it up. When it comes to planning too, especially for classes, I do like to color code my classes. So I will go in and choose a highlight color for each class and then highlight whatever assignments I have due for that class. Actually, that wasn't the last thing in there. I also have a brush because my hair just goes really wild sometimes, and sometimes I just need to brush it out. I should have done that before the video, but whatever. Yeah, got a brush just in case I have an unruly hair day.
Ryan Little.